In the heart of Sikkim's mountains, a quiet change is taking shape. Here, learning is no longer about memorizing facts, but about exploring how the world really works. At STEM Learning, we are making this shift possible across 20 schools in 3 districts, bringing a new way of learning that connects imagination with understanding. Our mini science centers has over 80 hands-on models. With these models, lessons that were once confined to textbooks are now alive with activity. We don't stop with installation. We equip teachers with the right training to weave these models into everyday lessons, turning classrooms into places of engagement and discovery. Now the students are discovering the logic behind every concept instead of just learning its definition. They also learn from each other, exchange ideas, and build confidence as they explore together. Through continuous monitoring and evaluation, we ensure that this transformation creates real, measurable progress, sharper understanding, active participation, and a genuine interest in learning. This journey is made possible through the support of our CSR partners SBI Foundation and IRCTC, who share our belief that quality STEM education should reach every child, no matter where they live. Together, we are shaping better classrooms as well as brighter futures.